Welcome to Toli Pir Azad Kashmir, a journey with GSK Adventure.
एडवेंचर और आज के इस एडवेंचर में हम आपको लेकर जाएंगे एक ऐसे खूबसूरत टूरिस्ट पॉइंट पे।
There are places in this world that are not just marked on maps but etched into the soul. Toli Pir is one of them, a place where beauty and pain walk hand in hand, where
जहाँ पे एक खूबसूरत ज़ियारत भी है, मज़ार जिसको बोलते हैं, और वहाँ पे खूबसूरत मेडोज भी है।
A place where beauty and pain walk hand in hand, where the earth meets the sky, and where hearts burdened with sorrow find a strange and spoken peace. I am a traveler, a seeker, a storyteller. My journey is not just a I am a traveler, a seeker, a storyteller. My journey is not just about the places I visit. It is about the emotions I carry, the wounds that remain unseen, and the stories that ache to be told. I am the face behind ***GSK Adventure ***. And this is not just another travel vlog, this is a journey of pain, of longing, and of searching for something I have lost. Toli Pir, standing at 8,800 feet in the heart of Azad Kashmir, is more than just a breathtaking peak. It is a land of history and spirituality. The shrine of a revered saint rests at its highest point, where prayers rise with the wind and weary souls find solace. Many come here seeking blessings, but I came carrying a burden that prayers alone could not lift. The journey to Toli Pir was not easy, neither for my body nor for my heart. The winding roads, the endless climb, and the biting cold mirrored the struggles within me. Every turn on the path felt like a reflection of the journey I have walked in life, filled with hardships, moments of doubt, and battles fought in silence. Azad Kashmir is a land of unparalleled beauty, but behind its towering peaks and endless valleys lies a history of suffering, resilience, and sacrifice. Just like this land, I too have known loss. I too have endured storms that left scars no one can see. But standing at the peak of Toli Pir, looking down at the clouds beneath my feet, I felt something I had long forgotten: freedom. Wind here does not just touch your skin, it reaches into your soul. It whispered to me, reminding me that pain is not the end of the journey. Perhaps that is why travelers keep coming here to lose themselves and, in the silence of the mountains, to find themselves again. Toli Pir is not just a destination. It is a feeling, a moment of stillness in a chaotic world. It is a place where the soul finds rest, where prayers turn into echoes carried by the wind. As I leave, I take a part of it with me: the silence, the peace, the endless sky. If you ever find yourself lost in life, come here. Maybe, just like me, you'll find the answers you didn't even know you were searching for. If you want to stay long with us, please appreciate and follow GSK Adventures family.